Uh, I bought a Samsung 85-inch TV from Costco. We are planning to install as a wall mount. So I'm going to share the step-by-step instructions, how this is getting installed. Please watch.
Get in and check,
Okay.
But if I put it up onto the wall.
Once you checked the TV is good and there is no damage, and then find out something is install the bracket on the rear side of the TV. And don't screw too much to avoid any damage to the electronics. That's really important. And then now you need to decide on the viewing height and you need to start marking up. So good rule of thumb is to have the center of the TV at eye level when seated. This is very important again. This is just to avoid any neck pain. Once you marked up, drill on the marked up spot of the stud, and again it has to just be right on the stud spot. And now check it on the wall mount level for any small tilting, because again you don't want to have any horizontal tilting. Now you can call your buddy who can help you to lift the TV and drop mounting that TV from the top so that it sits. Hey, we installed the TV.